today we have a workshop. Oui-Click partner with DJI. Oui-Click is DJI official service center, and DJI Hong Kong headquarters sent a trainer here to do the workshop. Features on Mavic Mini, and then try on how to fly a Mavic Mini, and they have experience on flying also. The trainer fly the Mavic Mini indoor, which is quite very interesting for participants also.
I think it's a good chance for us to know better about the customer. As you can see, today's workshop, the customer has a lot of questions, and so we have a chance to tell them what is right, what is wrong, and what they need to do correctly. Yes, I think it's really good for us to communicate with our customer. Yes.
The event is good. It's very helpful. Interesting for a beginner.
Good. So we got a lot of information on the new DJI Mavic Mini. A lot of information on the areas that you can fly or cannot fly the drones here in Singapore. So it was very enlightful.
If we let the chance, Oui-Click and DJI to have something like this workshop, and so we can talk more with our customers and let them know better of our DJI products.